Hey guys, Lexi here. Sorry it's been a while, but a lot's been going on, but I wanted to do something with my hair today. So we are going to do a hair video. I have some bleach here. We are going to bleach the rest of this out and get all this brown out so we can have nice, just plain hair. So we're going to bleach all that out, and then I got some black sapphire here and some electric paradise. I was thinking about doing half black and then half pink. It's like black sapphire, so it's like black with an undertone of blue. So I think that'll be really pretty. Anyway, I got those. We're going to first bleach all this mess, and then after that I'll get back to you guys and we will begin the dyeing process. It's going to be a little different because I haven't used these L'Oreal thingies. L'Oreal Excellence High Color. I only used the magenta a long time ago whenever I first started my hair. I've never used the black sapphire. So you get this and you have the developer with it so that it gets activated. Since these don't need to be activated, you just put these straight on the hair. We'll figure it out. I have to do it separate. But first things first, let's bleach. Okay guys, so here's the completed bleached hair. I think it actually bleached it really nice. I didn't expect this to get as light as it did because it was really dark. But now it's just like a golden blonde, and then we have like the platinum blonde over here. I think it should be able to be fine. I was going back and forth about doing the golden pieces like one more time. But I think it should be okay. I'm pretty sure the electric paradise will pick up. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to part it how I need it and cut it up, because with the half and half, I like to have the bangs, and I'm thinking about just doing it down the middle, because sometimes I do it like a little farther over, a little farther over here. So I might just do it straight down the middle and then middle bang, whatever. But anyway, quit babbling. I'm gonna cut all this up and then I'll get back to you as soon as I trim it all up. So I got it cut for the most part how I want it. I had this idea randomly, and so I'm gonna take this and cut it and shade it out. I've never shaved my head. I am very nervous, but I figured just a small section. I'm gonna do this side black and this side pink, and then I was thinking the little square that I'm gonna have here, putting it pink, so I have like this touch of pink inside the black. I think it'd look cool. It's just this idea I had in my head, and I'm just gonna do it because who cares? It's just hair. Let's just do it. So, got this. And got this. And we're gonna do this. I'm so nervous, but we're gonna do this. So, let's start.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Made with bits of real panther, so you know it's good.
It's quite pungent.
Oh, yeah.
It stings the nostrils. In a good way.
Yeah.
Brian, I'm gonna be honest with you, that smells like pure gasoline.
60% of the time, it works. Every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Okay guys, so I got it all cut. I actually love it. Like, that made me very happy. Like, I was scared at first, but then when I started going, I was like, that looks pretty cool. Let me do the other side too. So I did both these sides underneath. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do black, and I'm going to do pink, and then with these undercuts, I'm going to do pink and then black. In my head, it looks really cool. I don't know how it'll look, but we shall see. I'm gonna do it anyway because today's hair is just, we're going with it. So I'm gonna get everything mixed together. We have our L'Oreal high color thing. You gotta do this with, I believe it's let me make sure. Yeah, 2.5 fluid ounces of this. So you do this, and then it'd be like half a bottle of this because this is 4. So you mix that, and then in our other bowl we just have our Electric Paradise. The Electric Paradise doesn't need any activators, so we just put that in there and we put it on. I think I'll probably do the black first because the black is going to be where I have to be more precise, because if I get it anywhere else, then I'm not getting it off. So we're going to do, I think I want to do this side black, but I kind of want to do this side black. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But I'm going to mix this all together, and then I'm going to do the black, pink, and then the pink, black. So let's get started on that. I'm excited.
Baby, I love you all the way down, 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 down. Baby, I love you all the way down. Get you right where you like it. Baby, I love love you all the way down, 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 down. Baby, I love you all the way down. Get you right where you like it. Baby, I love you all the way down, 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 down. Baby, I love you all the way down. Get you right where you like it. Baby, I love you all the way down, 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 down. Baby, I love you all the way down. Get you right where you like it. Baby, I love you all the way down, 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 down. Baby, I love you all the way down. Get you right where you like it. Baby, I love you all the way down, down, down. Baby, I love you all the way down. Get you right where you like it. Baby, I love you all the way down, 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 yeah, baby, I love you all the way down. Get you right where you like it. Baby, I love you all the way down, 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 down. Baby, I love you all the way down. Get you right where you like it. Baby, I love you all the way
Okay guys, so here's the completed hair. I think it turned out really great. I really love it so much. We just kept going with what we felt, and this is what it came out. Because this is nothing what I had in my head at the beginning of this. But we just kept going with what we felt like, and so now we have this. And I am so in love with it. I am so much more happy with it than I would have been in the original idea. But what do you guys think? If you guys like it, please let me know below. And if you guys want to suggest any other hair looks or styles or anything like that, leave that in the comments below and I'll be sure to try them out. I'm always looking forward to trying new hairstyles and colors and all sorts of stuff. So if you guys suggest anything, I'll be sure to keep that in my ideas. But thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for going through this weird hair journey with me. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like this video if you did enjoy it or found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for any more cosplay, hair related, or any other weird things that I do. And my name is Alexia, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!